According to a Citi AM source, Amazon plans to accept Bitcoin payments by the end of the year and is looking into developing its own token for 2022. Over the weekend, the internet behemoth set tongues wagging after posting a job listing for a cryptocurrency and blockchain lead. The job posting, which clearly indicates that the company is paving the way for cryptocurrency transactions, seeks someone who can leverage domain expertise in blockchain, distributed ledger, central bank digital currencies, and cryptocurrency. It goes on to say that it wants to make the case for the capabilities that should be developed, drive overall vision and product strategy, and gain leadership buy-in and investment for new capabilities. It doesn't take a genius to figure out where Amazon is going with recruitment, but according to an insider, the plans go much deeper than simply bringing someone on board to explore options.
This isn't just going through the motions of setting up cryptocurrency payment solutions at some point in the future. This is a full-on, well-discussed, integral part of how Amazon will work in the future.
She told Citi AM. It all starts with Bitcoin. This is the critical first stage of this crypto project, and the command comes from the very top. Jeff Bezos personally. The insider also revealed that the world's fourth largest company's directors were eager to move on to ticking off other major cryptocurrencies once it had established a fast and secure method of Bitcoin payment. Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin Cash will be the next in line before bringing about 8 of the most popular cryptocurrencies online, she added. It won't take long because the plans are already in place and have been in the works since 2019. The entire project is almost ready to go. The involvement of a massive player on the scale of Amazon in the cryptocurrency space is likely to advance adoption and price of Bitcoin and the larger altcoins, but it is Bezos' next plan that may pique interest even more. When all these crypto ducks are lined up, there's another twist to push things even further in Amazon's favor, a native token, explained the insider. After a year of experimenting with cryptocurrency as a payment method for goods, it appears that we are on the verge of tokenization. This then evolves into a multi-tiered infrastructure through which you can pay for goods and services or earn tokens in a loyalty scheme. There isn't much more to say for the time being, but you can bet the Bitcoin plan will be closely monitored as opportunities with Amazon's own version of a cryptocurrency are explored. The price of Bitcoin has risen by 11% early on Monday as bulls attempt to push it past $40,000. Prices have risen as a result of positive comments made at last week's B-Word conference. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, stated at the event that he personally owns Bitcoin and that he might pump, but don't dump. He went on to say that SpaceX also owns the cryptocurrency. His comments in the past have heightened volatility in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin price is up by 11% in early Monday trade. Earlier, it reached an intraday high of 39,775.42 before reversing. Notably, it was at its highest point since mid-June. The cryptocurrency was up 8.38% at 38,412.06 at the time of writing. This leading cryptocurrency traded between 33,863.81 and 34,840.04 in the previous session. It fell below the critical level of 30,000 last week, trading at a one-month low of 29,280.95. It is trading above the 50 and 200-day exponential moving averages on a 2-hour chart. Investors are currently waiting to see if more buyers will enter the market, pushing Bitcoin's price to and beyond the psychological level of 40,000. The bulls, on the other hand, will need to break through the resistance at 39,510.28 in order to reach 40,000 and higher at 40,981.82. It is expected to trade in a narrow range between 39,510.28 and 37,497.55 in the short term. If the price falls below the lower border of the horizontal channel, the bears will attempt a retest of 36,000. Analysts in the cryptocurrency market frequently focus on key resistance levels. On the way to its all-time high in April, Bitcoin encountered resistance levels of around $63,000, $40,000, and $50,000. Now that Bitcoin has retested the $40,000 level, the next move will determine whether it truly emerges from the 3-month-long bear market. The initial price target of Ethereum was reached at the intersection of the 200-week SMA, the 2020 ascending trend line, and the 50-day SMA. Today's weakness is an unavoidable result of a bearish momentum divergence on the 4-hour chart. If the February high of $2,041 holds on price weakness, ETH has more upside potential. Ethereum price successfully tested the outstanding support at $1,700, which was formed by the May 23 low of $1,728, the June 22 low of $1,700, the June 26 low of $1,717, and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of the ETH rally that began in March 2020 at $1,730. The average of the 4 levels was $1,719, with a low of $1,718 on July 20th. The ETH rebound in the 4 days following the July 20th low increased Ethereum price by 22% before hitting resistance at the 50-day SMA at $2,176. When compared to the previous 3 bounces since the May crash, this 4-day rebound falls short of the late June jump of 24.47% and the late May spike of 30.76%, but it outperforms the 19.64% move in early June. In the previous 3 instances, the moves were dead cat bounces, as ETH quickly fell. The question now is whether this 22% rally is the start of a meaningful Ethereum price advance that will surpass the upper resistance line of the descending channel, which is currently at $2,477, or if it is just another dead cat bounce in the larger corrective process. A weekly close above the 2020 ascending trend line, which is now around $2,130, is critical to the bullish ETH narrative. A weekly close above the 50-day simple moving average of $2,166 would be even better. It would be the first confirmation of a trend change, increasing the likelihood that the Ethereum price is poised to target the channel's upper resistance line at $2,477, resulting in a 16% gain from the ascending trend line. If Ethereum price fails to hold the February high of $2,041 on a daily closing basis, the narrative shifts to another dead cat bounce and the resumption of the larger correction. A daily close below $1,700 confirms the breakdown from the governing descending triangle pattern and a failure of the 61.8% retracement of the 2020 to 2021 advance at $1,730. The downside risk extends to the 2018 high of $1,419 and the 50-week simple moving average of $1,417. During the time of recording, Ethereum price will end the week with a bullish engulfing week on the bar charts, implying that the weak holders have been evacuated and that ETH can pursue a bullish narrative. A close above last week's high of $2,169 today will confirm the engulfing week and leave the smart contracts giant with a minus 4.8% loss for July. Furthermore, it will demonstrate ETH's ability to successfully navigate multiple layers of resistance in a hesitant cryptocurrency market. Cardano's price soared after coming dangerously close to retesting the range low. However, after such a strong run, ADA investors are likely to book profits, resulting in a pullback. As a result, investors should be prepared for a short-term downturn. Cardano's price increased by 37% from July 20th to July 26th, breaking through the $1.373 swing high set on July 4th. This increase in the value of the ADA market collected the liquidity present here in the form of buy stops. Typically, such a move is followed by a retracement as investors and market makers book profits. As a result, investors should keep an eye out for this minor crash. Support levels at $1.251 and $1.195 are critical and could halt the correction by absorbing selling pressure. Because of the retests on June 23 and 26, the swing high at $1.195 on July 25 has a better chance of serving as a foothold. As a result, market participants can anticipate an 11% drop to $1.195 from its current position of $1.351. While the retracement is likely to be followed by a new leg up, investors should be wary of increased selling pressure that cuts through $1.195. If this happens, the resulting bearish momentum could push Cardano price down to the next support level at $1.108. If this barrier is breached, the bullish thesis will be invalidated, and ADA could fall to the range low of $1. The Bitcoin Cash coin is trading on bearish notes on the monthly chart, with lower highs and lower lows. For the past few trading sessions, the cryptocurrency has been in a significant downtrend, with the coin encountering a hurdle of the 20 DMA line. However, the crypto asset is currently trading below all critical moving averages of 20, 50, 100, and 200 DMA, with lower volume action. When the BCH token begins to sustain above the 20 and 50-day moving averages, good volume action will entice more buyers in the coming trading sessions. Lower price support is at $420 and $380, while higher priced resistance is at $550 and $620. At the 4-hour time frame, the Bitcoin Cash coin is now heading towards the lower levels. BCH is showing slight weakness on the weekly chart after an excellent positive rally from lower levels. Technical indicators have shifted bearish, and a short-term correction is expected in the coming trading sessions. The Bitcoin Cash coin is currently trading at $444, with a minus 2.40% intraday loss, and the volume to market cap ratio is 0.1267. Relative Strength Index, caution: the weekly chart of Bitcoin Cash coin shows a slight bearish or negative trend. The RSI, on the other hand, is heading lower after testing the overbought zone and is now heading lower CMP 51.